So today we have 510 Ashwood in Lowell, Arkansas that just hit the market. One of the things I absolutely love about this home is how close it is to just about everything. Being in Lowell, it's really in the epicenter of Northwest Arkansas. As you see here from the pictures, we've got a great playground right behind the home. We've got a great front bedroom there. You've got a secondary bedroom that's being used as an office, great laundry room, and I love this main living space. It has been really designed for function and fit. And even though this home isn't super big, it really has a big feel to it that makes it feel bigger than the actual square footage. Of course, you also see granite countertops there, great flooring in this house throughout. I love what the current owners have done with this space. I like the coffee bar there leading into the master bedroom, which feels much bigger than it is as well. It's got a great primary bathroom here, again with granite countertops, and you've got a tiled tub shower combo that I really like. And look at this closet. Absolutely love it. Love the views off the back porch. And I just think this is a phenomenal home that is going to make someone really, really happy. Go check it out today. And tell Alex that Justin from J. Ferris Media sent you. He'll take great care of you. Thanks so much and have a great day.